Guys, we are making an A24 film today. My name is Blake Zundel, also known as Biz Films, and today I'm going to be creating my first ever short film. And yeah, the hard part is I have to make it look like a professional A24 film. I've always been obsessed with A24 films since I started falling in love with movies, and I always just wanted to get that aesthetic. Oh yeah, I only have 3 days to shoot this short film, so let's get started. So, you guys are probably wondering what the story is about. Well, here's a quick overview of it. And action. Unsure of what to do after a trauma-inducing breakup, a girl finds a clever way to keep him in her life. When she discovers how he has been handling the split, all hell breaks loose. So not only showing you guys some storyboards that I made before the short film, and these are going to be some of the scenes that I shot for the behind the scenes video. So it kind of gives you a little overview of the before and after, so you guys can kind of check it out. And for the short film, I'm only having one actress in the entire film. So you guys are probably wondering, who is the ex going to be? Well, that's going to be a surprise that you guys have to wait for and watch in the film. So that's all here. Let's get back to day one. So guys, it is day one of making the short film. And as you can see, I'm vlogging from my actual cinema camera, but yeah, this is the only camera we got, so we're gonna be vlogging from this too and shooting the short film. So let's go meet the cast. Yeah.
I'm Sybil. I am the actress. I'm the star of this short film.
Yes, the star, the only.
Also the PA too.
We're kind of doing everything with this. It's just a two-person film, but we're making it work. Welcome to our amazing set where we got all these lights and we're making the title sequence right now. All right, guys. After an hour and a half. We finally got the sign ready.
Woo, we did it. It was really hard.
It was hard, but you know it looks pretty good. The boy in her head. All right, let's film this scene. Alright, so we're moving downstairs. Staircase, we gotta light this guy up now.
Turning the lights.
Alright, so we just finished the staircase scene. Made it. Yeah, oh, there's so much smoke. Wow. Guys, it's getting done. It's getting done, guys. Alright, we're on the iPhone vlog now. Got this whole setup. Last shot of the day. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Last shot of the day. It's a pretty good one. Took like an hour for us to do. 3, 2, 1, action. Left. Fall back. Awesome. Okay, we're done with that.
Yay!
We're done with that scene.
Okay.
Now I've got to do this scene with the gimbal. 1, action. That's a wrap, guys.
That's a wrap of
Day one.
Day one's done.
We're sweating balls. When you guys see the 360 scene in the short film, let's just say that took like 2 hours.
Good.
Like
my fault.
100 takes, guys. 100 takes.
See you for day 2.
See you tomorrow morning. Bye, guys. So we are currently pulling you guys away from beginning day 2, and right now we are in the editing stage of the film. And there was probably one question in your mind, and it's how did you get this amazing color for the film, and what was like the stages for doing it? And one of the main ways that I was able to color the film was using Dehancer. If you guys haven't heard of Dehancer, it is a color software app that you could use with DaVinci, Final Cut Pro, Premiere. It is, if not one of the main color grading apps out there, and Dehancer did actually reach out to me and wanted to test out Dehancer, and I was super happy when they did reach out because I always wanted to try it out, but I was kind of scared to always spend like that $400 or $500 it is for the app. But trust me, guys, it is worth it. I'm not paid to talk about this. They just wanted me to. They said give us a true review, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So at the moment, I do use Cineprint 16, and I've been using that for around 3 or 4 months now since I got into DaVinci, and this was all before Dehancer even reached out to me, and I already color graded the entire film with Cineprint. But after Dehancer did reach out and I started testing it out, I actually changed around 40% of the film into the Dehancer look. So the problem I had with Cineprint is there's just not that much customization you could do. and I really wanted just to have more freedom of just color grading process, and that's what Dehancer does for you. And now we're looking at Dehancer's node tree, and the thing I love about it is just one, it's very simple and clean, and everything is just compacted into one node. So you can just have the input, you choose the camera you guys have, and then everything is here. So you have the film, you have the print that you want to use, you have the film grain, and I've only been using it for around a week now, so I'm still very beginner for it, but I was able to get it down pretty easy. I'll just show you a little screenshot right here. They have like 60 or 70 different film prints, so look how much they have. I actually personally think it is worth the money. If I did, I would actually go back and buy it, and I can't wait to keep using it and just getting better at my color grading, because that was one thing that I always kind of struggled with, is that I really wanted to kind of, you know, up the color grading process in my videos. And I feel like the LUTs just don't do it for you. LUTs just make it just look fake, and the skin tones just don't look right. Even with Sony print, sometimes it just kind of looks off. But with Dehancer, since I've used it, it just really makes everything pop perfectly. And it's just some of these scenes just right here, they just look really good. As like, for example, only a couple hours I probably spent doing this, and it is looking really good. So if you guys do want to get Dehancer, you guys could use my promo code BIZFILMS in the checkout, and you guys will be saving 10% off. Also, Dehancer just released an app. This is perfect for on-the-go video or picture color grading. Dehancer app isn't just like any ordinary app with filters. There's years of scientific research behind the technology that they have. Overall, the colors and tools you get from the app are similar to the ones you get on the desktop plugins. So it's honestly, it's like you're color grading on the go. You guys can do it wherever. It's awesome. So I just wanted to say thank you to Dehancer for letting me try out their product. It is amazing, guys. So remember BizFilms for 10% off your purchase. Now let's get back to day 2, guys.
So guys, it is day 2. We're already tired. We have 3 days and we're like halfway through the film. And today, the bad thing is we only have 4 hours to shoot because I gotta go to work. Yay! So let's see how much my insanity is going to 100 already. Yeah, let's go. So now we're in our room that we start the day with, and we are going to be shooting under the bed. We got our lighting set up, all the lights. And basically in this scene, Sybil is going to be leaning over the bed with the camcorder, and then I'm going to be doing a slow zoom in on her. Let's get it. All right, guys, we just finished the under the bed scene. That looks sick. When you guys see it in the short film, that was a really fun scene to film and really cool. So now we're gonna be doing the bedroom scene.
Love that one. That's great. Past couple years, I'm like learning so much about lighting.
I know, this is your lighting course.
There's a couple shots yesterday where I'm like, oh, her face is dark. The light's on the other side, but I'm like, no, I'll fix it. So we got the iPhone vlog. The iPhone vlog now, because like I'm off the same camera. Look at the lighting here.
More Joss.
More Jocelyn. The idol. Honestly, it's fun what the idol sets look like.
Exactly.
Now she just...
Action.
Okay.
Alright guys, that's a wrap on day 2 of filming. It was only like a 3-hour shoot, but you know, we got a couple shots in.
Got some good shots.
Yeah, we just ended with the hallway shot right here. So tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. It's the last day of shooting, and we got like 8 or 9 shots in like a span of another 4 hours. So, you know, that's gonna be fun. So we'll see you guys tomorrow on day 3. See ya. So guys, it is day 3, our final day of shooting, and yeah, I'm very tired. I got like 4 hours of sleep last night. It is around 9 a.m. right now. We're gonna have to bang out. We have like 4 or 5 hours to get like 7 or 8 shots, and these are the crucial scenes. These are the emotional, crucial scenes. So let's bang these out and let's get right into it.
Vlog. We just finished the most crucial shot. It was the emotional cry scene.
in the bathroom.
Yeah, I hope it turned out good.
Let's hope it looks good.
I hope it looks good on my part.
Yeah. Alright, now we gotta do a couple more scenes. We got like 4 more, and then we gotta do the outside scenes, and then we be done. We be done. Alright guys, we are on our last shots of the day, of the whole short film. We have 3 more shots to do. It's just gonna be the closing, and then we have to go outside, and we have to do a couple other shots for a surprise in the short film, if you know what I mean. Oh shit. Alright, let's get right to it. Let's go. My stupid ass forgot the ND filter for my camera. So now we were walking for like 10 minutes, and then I'm by myself now, and I have to go grab it. So you know, so fun. All right, guys, we are on our outside shoot. I finally got the ND filter, so now we gotta film these little guys right here.
Our actors that we hired.
Yeah, but we hired them. We're paying them $2 an hour because that's what we do. We're cheap. Yeah. I hope SAG approves of this. You know, $2. I think that's a fair price, right? All right, let's shoot these because it's like 100 degrees out here and we're dying. We wanna be done. Yeah, let's go. We just finished Foley. That's why I got the headset on. That was fun. We just did that for like.
We're done.
Yeah. Now we are officially done. We are officially done with the film. Now I gotta go edit for a month. Yay.
A month?
Probably.
Wow.
But that was fun. I love doing the Foley because it's just like you gotta wear the headphones and you just gotta like, yeah, you just gotta like record random shit. It was cool. But I'll see you guys in a little bit when I'm editing.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye. Thank you,
I'm
Sybil.
going.
Yeah, she's going now, but we'll meet back with her very soon with more films. So
Very soon.
yes, amazing. All right, see you later, guys. Let's get some fog real quick for that cinematic look. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, so the short film is officially complete, guys. And yeah, it is actually out right now, so you guys can go watch it. It is gonna be down in the description, the pinned comment, or it is actually in the pinned video right here. So just click it, go watch the film, guys. You guys will enjoy it, trust me. And if you guys feel like following me, 19-year-old filmmaker, trying to become a filmmaker, if you guys wanted to subscribe down below, like this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Is out.